Let's grab the spot healing brush tool and get rid of some of these spots. This could take a while. Now here's the problem. The changes I am making are permanently changing the pixels on this background layer. If I later change my mind about the edits I am making, I will have to throw away this document and start over. So let's start again the smart way. File, Revert. Create a new layer. I'll call it Retouching. Clicking on this new layer to make sure it's targeted. And now my retouching isn't working because I have to come up to the options bar and turn on Sample All Layers. Ah, there we go. The great part is I can toggle the visibility of the retouching layer. I can change its opacity, or I could just throw it away altogether. Maximum flexibility. Let's undo that. Quick bonus tip. If using the healing brush tool, change sample from current layer to all layers. The same goes for the clone stamp tool. I hope that helps. Catch you later.